Important disclaimer, every giveaway on this channel is completely free. The only way the Goa Lad, which is me, communicates with the winners is through my Instagram handle, which is @GaneshNarvekar. If anybody sends you a WhatsApp number to reply to, or if anyone comments on YouTube saying this is the Goa Lad or has a picture of the Goa Lad, it is not me. Do not reply to any YouTube comment or any WhatsApp or any email with the Goa Lad's photo, because it is not me. The only way that I will communicate with the winners will be through the Instagram account of mine, which is @GaneshNarvekar. That is the only way the winners will receive their messages. Do not reply to WhatsApp from the Goa Lad. Do not reply to emails from the Goa Lad, and do not reply to YouTube comments with the photo of Goa Lad. They are all fake and they are made by people trying to take advantage of my subscribers, which I do not want. So carefully go through this disclaimer again in case you don't understand, and only reply to the Goa Lad on Instagram DM. Let's run the intro. What is good, YouTube, and welcome back to your favorite channel, the Goa Lad. This is your boy, Goa Lad, Ganesh Narvekar, and I'm back with an absolutely special cracker-jacker of a giveaway, which is going to be pretty awesome for you guys. Also, I'm going to be announcing the winners of the Apple giveaway, which I had done, and they're going to be placed anywhere from the start to the middle to the end of the video. The winners will be spread out, so make sure you watch the entire video so that you do not skip or miss out on your opportunity to win. So I'm going to start off the video with the first winner, and the first winner is... let's get a drum roll. Gabe Field. Congratulations, Gabe. Not Grape, Gabe Field. I'm sorry about that. I may have ruined your name, but you get an Apple product, which is the MacBook Pro. So congratulations to you. And don't worry guys, there are 9 more winners spread out throughout the video, so keep watching. But in today's giveaway, I have got the mammoth, the one and only PlayStation 5 for you guys. I mean, look at the size of this baby. This is a massive giveaway, and it's only for you guys. I'm giving 10 of these away, and it's because now that I can gather 10, because these are so difficult to get. You go on Amazon, go on any website, they are totally sold out. So these bad boys are very difficult to get. I'm so glad that I could get them for you. I'm giving 10 of these away, and in order to win 10 of these PlayStation 5s with 2 controllers, mind you, and the Spider-Man Miles Morales game. So you're getting all of that for free. In order to win that, all you gotta do is subscribe to the Goa Lad channel. Make sure that you follow me on my Instagram as well, which is @GaneshNarvekar. Also, I need you to leave a like on this video. If we reach 3,000 likes, more epic giveaways coming your way. In the comment section down below, write down what you like about the Goa Lad channel. Any comment which says, please give me the product, this is my situation, I need the product, I'm begging you for the product, none of that will work. Only positive comments about this channel over here on YouTube and positive comments on my Instagram will be considered for the giveaway. So please make sure to avoid spam comments. Another step is to hit the bell notification button and select all notifications so that you get notified every time I drop an exclusive giveaway for you. And if you want to stay clear of all the competition and go right ahead, all you have to do is head over to my Patreon page. Link is in the description. Once you're there, click the big orange button that says become a patron and select a dollar tier. You can start from $1, guys. It's as simple as that, and that dollar will get you right ahead to win. Also, when you follow me on Instagram, go to my latest post and leave a like and comment something nice about the post, not begging for an item. Because when you comment something nice, like and share that post from Instagram on your Instagram story, you get bonus entries into the giveaway. So I'm going to be adding those bonus entries very soon. So make sure that you do it right now, because I am checking my Instagram while this video is gonna be done. Also guys, I'm doing my best to get you the best of tech as giveaways, the latest and greatest, because we need to hit 30k subscribers very soon, fam. If we hit mission 30k, I elevate the giveaways to a level you have not seen before. With that out of the way, let me call out the remaining winners of the MacBook Pro. And this is going to be interesting because the MacBook Pro can be used for a lot of good stuff, editing videos, whatever you want, powerful machine. So the second winner is Shauna K. The third winner is Karina Amon. The fourth winner is Nikhil 21. The fifth winner is Jaydev K. Sixth winner is Sana Kumar. The seventh winner is Chris Edwards. The eighth winner is Simone J. The ninth winner is Diksha Singh. The 10th winner is Mohammed A. And a bonus winner that's gonna be there is Carlos Morera. So congratulations to all of you guys. You have 12 hours to reply to me only on my Instagram DM. In case you're confused, go to the start of the video. I've left a disclaimer. You can only DM me when you are one of the winners. And if you do not DM in 12 hours, I will be DMing the other deserving winners. So make sure you drop your Instagram in the comment section down below as well. This has been your boy Ganesh Narvekar. Until next video's giveaway video and winners video announcement. Peace.